talking about these things. So, but as service providers, what should be the strategy, I guess? So, what could the MFI industry have done on its own, okay, with 2020 hindsight, wherein it would have sort of self-regulated itself, so that it could sort of preempt what the actions going on, say, in Andhra Pradesh and stuff like that, because the politics of the markets is of the regulations such that they will come at you. Right? And
but
so
self-regulation, there will always be bad eggs. There will always be three crooks in the industry. Well, how can you solve these policy problems? By the late 90s, I vividly recall there used to be some of these debates on derivatives in India. And around that time, you may recall there was this great rash of commodity exchanges that came up in China. And then they went through a big bust. And I seem to remember some 19 commodity exchanges were shut down by the Chinese government. And actually, we in India would recognize most of the abuses that we see there. And so it doesn't surprise me that those kind of things happened. Now, how do you play it? One argument could be we should be encouraging these kind of experiments. Let 19 crazy commodity exchanges come. Okay, we'll go through drama, we'll go through disaster, and over a couple of years, we'll figure out how to do it. My mood has changed considerably in the last 10, 20 years, to a significant extent, out of interacting with politicians.